Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the 3D building setting on Google Maps so that while you're driving and you can see the route, you can see the buildings in 3D on your journey. So I'm on the iPhone right here, I'm on Google Maps. If you go up to the top right, there is the profile picture option. Click in there and then go down to settings. From there, go down to navigation, the first option, and right down at the bottom we have map display options that we can edit from here. The one that says show 3D building it's currently turned off. It's currently toggled off, but what we want to do is toggle it on, and then while you're driving, you'll be able to basically, if you're driving and you have a route selected and you're following that route while you're driving past buildings, usually in cities, they will show you the 3D buildings that look a lot nicer on your map display anyway. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks.